Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest updates from the world of technology. So today we are diving into a programming language that has been gaining a lot of attention in recent times, which is the Go programming language. So if we talk about the origin story, the Go programming language, commonly known as Go or Golang, was developed by Google engineers Robert Griesmer, Rob Pike, and Ken Thompson. The story behind Go's creation dates back to 2007 when Google faced challenges with existing programming languages for its large-scale projects, so they aim to create a language that combined simplicity, efficiency, and robustness, and thus Go was finally created. So if you talk about the syntax, one of the Go's standout features is its clean and straightforward syntax. Go was designed to be simple and easy to read, making it of most favorite among developers. So it basically avoids unnecessary complexity, which often leads to more maintainable and less error-prone code. So now let's delve into the standout features that make Go truly exceptional. First and foremost is concurrency support is a game changer with the innovative concepts of Go routines and channels. Go simplifies writing concurrent programs, optimizing the utilization of multi-core processors. Furthermore, Go's performance is top-notch. By compiling to native machine code, it ensures lightning-fast execution, positioning it as the ideal choice for crafting high-performance application. And notably, Go takes a proactive stance on code quality through aesthetic typing and simplicity. Errors are caught during compilation, resulting in more cleaner and more reliable code at the end. So now you guys might be wondering why should we learn Go? So learning Go opens up a world of opportunities for programmers. So whether you are interested in web development, systems programming, or even building network applications, Go's versatility can really be a game changer for you guys. Its rapid compilation and execution times make development efficient, and its growing community ensures ample resources for learning and support. So Go has gained popularity across various domains, from tech giants like Google, Uber, and Dropbox to startups and individual developers. Many have adopted Go for its efficiency and performance benefits. So to conclude, the Go programming language offers a refreshing approach to coding with its clean syntax, powerful features, and performance advantages. So whether you are a seasoned programmer or a newcomer, exploring Go can open up exciting avenues for your projects. So thanks for tuning in, and if you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech and programming insights. Until then, take care. Bye bye.